At a glance, ancient Hindu mythology presents a wall of complexity, countless stone faces of deities, overlapping timelines, and conflicting creation myths. This raises a difficult question for any modern observer. How do you find the underlying logic in a system that claims millions of different gods? This exact problem was tackled thousands of years ago in the Naimisharanya forest, where a massive assembly of sages gathered to identify the definitive nature of reality. The sage Saunaka put a specific, vital question to the teacher Sauti. Is the ultimate creator of the universe a formless, abstract energy, or a being with a localized physical shape? To these ancients, mapping the absolute structure of reality was a matter of survival, the only way to mentally navigate the approaching Dark Age. Sauti's answer to those sages forms the basis of the Brahma Vaivarta Purana. Unlike a mere random collection of folklore, this text operates as a sophisticated, grand unified theory of ancient cosmology. The Purana outlines a rigid, hierarchical architecture, cascading down from a single absolute point to construct the entirety of existence. By following this ancient blueprint, the apparent chaos of mythology resolves into a perfectly engineered mathematical system of cause and effect. This breakdown begins entirely outside of human time and physical space, in an eternal, radiant realm called Goloka. Here, the text defines the peak of reality as the Parat Par Brahma, a formless, infinite energy that intentionally chooses to manifest in a specific, beautiful form. That eternal form is Lord Krishna, acting as the absolute central seed and origin point of everything that follows. In this cosmological framework, the Supreme Being acts as the unmoving, silent anchor from which all other forces logically descend. The first tier of the cosmic flowchart involves the manifestation of the major gods directly from Krishna's will and form. From this split comes the male trinity. Narayana emerges from the right side, Shiva from the left, and Brahma from the navel. Simultaneously, the divine feminine, Prakriti, divides into the essential forces of knowledge, wealth, power, and devotion, embodied by Saraswati, Lakshmi, Durga, and Radha. This hierarchy demonstrates that the major gods are precisely assigned functional fractions of the original supreme whole. Moving further down the hierarchy, the focus shifts from spiritual deities to the manifestation of the physical material realm. This is the domain of Mahavishnu, an impossibly massive cosmic giant who serves as the generator of physical space. As Mahavishnu breathes, infinite individual universes, called Brahmandas, bubble out from the pores of his skin. Inside each of these microscopic cosmic bubbles, a local manifestation of Brahma begins constructing familiar planets, mountains, and timelines. Our entire universe is merely a temporary bubble, existing as a fraction of the Supreme Source. The Purana reveals a structural twist. This engineered, mathematically precise universe includes an integrated expiration date. When deep time cycles like our current Kali Yuga conclude, a process of dissolution called pralaya triggers automatically. Reality collapses systematically. The earth dissolves into water, and the water is consumed by fire, perfectly reversing the original order of creation. Eventually, the physical universe and all its universe bubbles are inhaled back into the Supreme Source, leaving only the void. The text provides this meticulous map to illustrate the completely temporary and hollow nature of the physical material world. This leads to a concluding question. Why build such a vast, complex reality only to dismantle it? The philosophical lesson is that human suffering stems from attaching ourselves to the lowest, most temporary rungs of this cosmic ladder, things like physical wealth and earthly status. The Purana presents this dizzying flowchart to shift the reader's focus steadily upward. Understanding this architecture points toward a single logical path, bhakti, or pure devotion. It is the act of looking past the illusion of a chaotic world to reconnect directly